The VIP's Motel Lonata del Garda is a splendid 4-star hotel surrounded in greenery. The refined and exclusive structure offers secluded, peaceful places to enjoy a peaceful break from the daily routine, a weekend devoted to relaxation, or a holiday with the family. The motel is located at Lonata del Garda, about 3 kilometers from the exit for Desenzano del Garda on the A4 Milan-Venice autostrada. This location makes it the ideal place for business people and travellers alike, but also for people who want to visit the lake, the nearby theme parks like Gardaland or Zoo Safari, or places of interest like the Casa del Podestà at Lonato with a rich historical library, the Vittoriale, the Arena of Verona and the Abbey of Maguzzano. For years, VIP's Motel has rewarded every visit with powerful emotions, thanks to its welcoming, elegant spaces and unique rooms, with every comfort like air conditioning, minibar, radio and satellite TV, plus Sky, Mediaset Premium and free Wi-Fi. VIP's Motel Lonata del Garda, secluded, exclusive, refined. Come and find us at Lonata del Garda. Visit our website www.vipsmotel.it.